Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating safety nets. Make a full restore point and backup key files. Once done, confirm your Windows 10 build and install latest updates so themes load correctly. You then download 3 essentials: a Windows 11-like theme, a start menu replacement, and an icon pack, so changes stack cleanly. Make sure to note if Secure Boot blocks unsigned themes. If it does, you will disable it briefly. This prevents bricked systems and saves time later. Now you install core UI components. First, patch theme support with a trusted patcher, then copy the rounded corner theme into the resources folder and apply it in personalization. Next, install Start is Back or Open Shell and set the taskbar to center icons and emulate Windows 11 Start. Adjust sizes and pinned groups. Then swap icons using the icon pack. Use a launcher for safer changes or replace resources manually if you know what you're doing. Reboot after each major change. Finish by enabling animations and transparency so the experience feels like Windows 11. Set performance options accordingly. You should tweak fonts and install a snap helper to mimic new window layouts. Also confirm clipboard and virtual desktop settings match expectations. If something breaks, first revert to the restore point you created, then re-enable Secure Boot if you disabled it, and uninstall the patcher. If issues persist, roll back the theme and icons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.